This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Spark plugs replacement. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrode slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the coils by depressing the locking tab and pulling the connector off. Remove the ignition coil bolts. Then remove the coils. Inspect the coil for cracks, oil deposits, or arcing from high voltage. Using a spark plug socket, loosen all the spark plugs. Then take the ratchet off the extension and use the extension and socket to unscrew the plugs. Remove the plugs one at a time and inspect them for wear and any discoloration that would indicate a problem in that particular cylinder. Double-check the spark plug electrode gap. Apply a thin coating of anti-seize compound to the threads of the spark plugs. Using a spark plug socket, start each of the spark plugs by hand. Tighten the spark plugs to the specified torque setting. Install the ignition coils and mounting bolts. Tighten the coil mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Reattach the coil electrical connectors.